Let me read the question. Question is too long. Two poles are equal height are standing opposite to each other on the either side of the road which is 80-meter wide. Means just guess that if this road is passing over here and some building in the form of 3D are over there, it means we can't draw it in 3D form. So we will indicate this one as 80 meter, and either side of the road one building is there and another side of the road the same height, both having same height and two buildings are there. But the thing is that by reading the question what they gave to us, from a point between them on a road the angle of the elevation of the top of the pole are 60 and 30. So it is obvious that if they are in between, so both the angles should be equal, क्योंकि यहाँ पे हाइट इक्वल दी गई है. तो अगर हम यहाँ से देख रहे हैं तो दोनों एंगल सेम होगी. बट दे गिव टू डिफरेंट एंगल. इट मीन्स वन एंगल इज समवेयर ओवर हियर एंड अनदर इज ओवर हियर. तो जैसे मैंने बताया जितना हम पास होंगे एंगल उतना लार्ज होगा और जितना हम दूर होंगे एंगल उतना कम होगा. So on the basis of that we are taking 30 degree over here and let me take 60 degree over here. Again as I will repeat this, that what kind of thing is given, that is depend that what kind of figure you are drawn. If I have taken this angle as larger, यानी कि ये अगर दूर है चीज तो वहाँ पे एंगल कम बनेगा, means it will become 30. और जितना हम पास जाते जाएंगे the angle will increase, so it will become 60. So that is depend on our question that what kind of figure we have drawn. And this total distance they have given as 80 meter. But what we are not knowing, we are not knowing this, that how far these two things are from our sight. Eyesight से ये हमसे कितना दूर है, that we don't know. So let us guess. Then another thing what they told us, find the height of the poles. So we have to find this height because both are same. So if we are finding one, we can write as same. So and the distance of the point from the pole, और वो एक दूसरे से कितने दूर है, that we have to find. So let us get some as x. So this will become 80 minus x. How it happen? अगर ये total 80 है और इतनी x है तो 80 में से अगर हम x minus करेंगे so that will be the distance from this. So this kind of thing we are guessing. Let us give it name as A, B, C, D and E. Now we have to work on two triangle. One triangle is A, B and C and another triangle that is C, D and E. One having 60 degree and the base this CD as 80 minus x and another having this angle as 30 degree and this one as x. And we have to find this because AB is equals to ED, that we are knowing. So afterwards we will compare. अभी के लिए अगर हमें AB ढूंढना है, means this is question mark. So this is opposite and adjacent. So tan theta is equals to opposite upon adjacent, means tan 30 is equals to AB by adjacent, that is x. What is the value of tan 30? So let us take it as 1 upon under root 3 and that is the value of AB. So here what we are getting x upon under root 3 and that is the value of AB. Let us keep it as it is because our AB is equals to this AD only. So here we can write it as x upon under root 3 because, so let me mention over here, if AB is equals to AD because poles are equal, so they both are equal, x upon under root 3. Now let us apply the same thing. ऐसा कौन सा थीटा है जिसमें अपोजिट अपॉन एडजेसेंट आएगा? लेट अस मेक स्टार. सो दैट इज tan थीटा, दैट इज अपोजिट अपॉन एडजेसेंट. वी हैव टू फाइंड tan 60. अपोजिट इज ED, means x upon under root 3 and upon they have given x minus 80 minus x. What is tan 60? That is under root 3 and it is x upon under root 3 into bracket 8 80 minus x. We have to find x. So let us do few more process. Under root 3 into under root 3, that will become 3 into 80 minus x and that is equals to x. See, you have to simplify this by yourself. Under root 3 into 80 into x. So I have solved like this. Now What we will do, we will multiply these 3 inside. So 8 3s are 24 and that's 0. So it will become 240. This will become minus 3x and 1x is over here. Let us take that 3x over there. So it will become 3x plus x. So it will become 4x, means 240 plus 240 is equals to 4x. So it is looking like this. 4x is equals to 240, or you can write x is equals to 240 divided by 4. Let us reduce it more. So what it will become? Let us reduce it. So in the table of 4, so 24 divided by 4 if we are doing. So if we are reducing, it will make 60. So let us write 60 meter over here. So here I found x. Whatever the value of x, that we have to substitute so many places, at so many places. So here BC we got as x, means this is 60. 80 minus x means 80 minus 60. So this will become 20. But the main thing is that we have to find the height of the pole, that is AB. So let us substitute value over there. So AB is equals to ED, and they both are equals what? So let me write over here that AB is equals to ED is equals to x upon under root 3. So that will become 60 upon under root 3. Now we have to do rationalization. So let us do rationalize it. So it will become 60 under root 3 by 3. Let us reduce it more. So it will become 20 under root 3 meter. And if you want to substitute value of under root 3, that is 1.73, you can substitute. Again read the question. The top of the poles are 60 and 30 respectively. Find the height of the pole. So we have find height of the pole and the distance of the point from the pole. So अगर हमें find करना है, so we will mention that BC is equals to x and that is equals to 60 meter, and CD is equals to 80 minus 60 and that will be equals to 20 meter. So this is the end of this question. We have to do separate figure. We have to find x and substitute the value, and this is the end of this question. Here let me read the question. A TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal. From the point on the other bank directly opposite the tower, the angle of the elevation of the top of the tower is 60 from another point 20 meter away. From this point on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of the elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower and the width of CD and 20 meter from the pole AB. यानी यहाँ पे नेमिंग भी दे दी गई है. Suppose if some canal is there and one tower is standing over here, and if you are watching that tower from one point, okay, so one angle is forming, and after covering some distance again you will watch the top of the tower. यानी tower के top को अगर हम देख रहे हैं, then the angle will be changed. And what they gave, if the height of this pole is AB and CD they gave as, so let us write CD over here, and they gave it as 20 meter. Then what they are asking, so first we have to indicate all the theta. So as I told you, जितनी दूर हम खड़े होंगे angle will be lesser, so it will be 30 degree, और जितना हम करीब जाएंगे या पास जाएंगे angle will increase. So the larger angle we will take nearby and the smaller angle we will take. This angle D we will take as 60 degree and angle C we will take as 30 degree. This was the indication that we have to indicate. We are keeping ready our figure. Let us read what we have to find. Find the height of the tower. So we have to find this. We have to find AB. Means here AB is question mark. ठीक है. Now again we have to work on two triangle. Let us guess some things. Let me guess it as x. So this whole thing will become 20 plus x. Because this small part they have given as 20 and this part they have not given. So we will write it as 20 plus x as CD. Whatever you are indicating you can write over here too. Means CD is equals to 20 plus x like this. CD is equals to 20 and that DB is equals to x. Whatever we have guessed we can write over here. Now we have to work on two triangle. So which two triangle we have to work on? So one triangle having name as CBA and another triangle that is DBA. In that this AB is common, but the theta is changing. Angle C given as 30 degree and angle D given as 60 degree. CB if we having, we have to write, so we are writing in the form of 20 plus x. DB we not having, so we will write it as x. Now let us work on these two triangles. So again if we have to find this AB, because height of the tower is question mark, जो दोनों में रिपीट हो रहा है, so let us take ऐसा कौन सा थीटा लेंगे जिसमें अपोजिट अपॉन एडजेसेंट आएगा. सो वी विल टेक tan 30 is equals to opposite that is AB and adjacent that is 20 plus x. Let us substitute the value, means what is tan 30, so that is 1 upon under root 3 and that is equals to AB upon 20 plus x. Let us take 20 plus x over there and down under root 3 will remain same, यानी हम AB की वैल्यू ढूंढ रहे हैं. Keep it highlighted. Wherever it will be useful to us, we will use it. We just take these over here and it will become 20 plus x by under root 3. Now we have again applied, we have to find this AB, no? So again we are applying tan 60 and that will become AB upon DB. So tan 60 will be under root 3. AB we are not knowing, so let us keep it as AB and DB as x. If we are making AB alone, तो x को हमें ऊपर ले जाना पड़ेगा, so it will become under root 3x and that is the value of AB. So now you will ask that what kind of this concept is. So if we are giving this one as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2, here is value of AB and here also value of AB is there. So what we will do, we will directly compare equation 1 and 2. So let me write over here, compare equation 1 and 2. So how it will look? So let us write it is looking 20 plus x upon under root 3 and that will be equals to under root 3x. And this under root 3 is by this whole part, so let us move it there. Under root 3 will become 3x. Let us shift this x, so it will become 3x minus x. So 20 is equals to 2x. Let us make x alone, so we are shifting that 2 down. It is in multiply, it will come over here and it will be divide. So therefore here we are writing that 2 tens are. So therefore the value of x we got. So x we got as 10. If it is in meter, write it as meter. If it is in centimeter, write it as centimeter. So it is in meter, so we have written, we have found x. But here the interesting thing is that this one is 10 as well as AB what we have guessed. So the value of AB we have to substitute somewhere. क्योंकि x और dB था और वो हमें ढूंढना नहीं था. They not ask that find the distance of this. If they told us, so here we can indicate it as dB. So two question we can solve. So dB is 10. यहाँ पे ये concept clear हुआ. But हमारा original question ये है, we have to find that AB. So या तो AB की value equation 1 में substitute करो या 2 में. So as I can see, equation 1 is little bit complicated. Let us substitute in 2. So I am substituting value of x in equation 2. तो यहाँ पे मैं लिख दूंगी substitute value of x in equation 1 or 2. I am substituting in 2, so I am writing it. So here I will write AB is equals to under root 3x. So it will become under root 3 into 10. So it will look like 10 under root 3 meter. And if you want to substitute the value of under root 3, that is 1.73, you can substitute. But this answer is also correct. So here these are the few concepts by which we can solve this kind of questions. These questions are very easy. It is useful in our day-to-day daily life because these are concept of tower, building, roads, how angle of elevation happen in our real life and how we can find distance, how we can find height. So these are the concepts. I hope you understood it in well manner because these concepts are very easy for us. We have to just think and separate the figure by ourselves. हमें अपने आप फिगर को अलग सेपरेट करनी है और इस तरह से रिप्रेजेंट करवाना है ताकि वो इजी फॉर्म में आ जाए. And most of the time you have seen that we are applying sin theta or tan theta, and 90% questions are solved. We have used by tan theta only, because opposite upon adjacent we are using. So these are the concepts which you have to remember. I hope you understood.